Hi! So today we're going to talk about how we can use our Android cam as our webcam. So if you're interested and if you would like to find out how to use your phone as a webcam on your PC or your laptop, then keep on watching. So video conferences are now a part of our daily work schedules. If you're a teacher or a student, you probably have your classes online through a video conferencing platform such as Google Meet, Zoom, Skype, Teams, and many others. However, one of your concerns is that the built-in webcam of your laptop is of poor quality. Of course, even if we're working or studying from home, we would like to make ourselves presentable, and webcams are difficult to find and expensive right now. And that's the reason for this video. I will tell you how you could use your Android smartphone or iPhone as a webcam. What we need to do first is to download the droidcam wireless webcam. So this app supports Android, iOS, and Windows. It lets you connect your laptop or a PC over the Wi-Fi network or with the help of a USB cable. Now let's start by downloading the droidcam app on your phone from the App Store or Play Store. Then install the droidcam client on your Windows laptop or PC. So again, this app should be installed on your phone and on your laptop or your computer. Once it's installed, you have to turn on your Wi-Fi and connect your Windows laptop and phone to the same network. So you have to make sure that your phone and your laptop or computer are connected to the same network. Then all we need to do is to launch the droidcam app on your phone and then launch the droidcam client on your PC or laptop and enter the Wi-Fi IP and droidcam port as displayed on the phone. So on my cell phone, it's already downloaded and you can see here the application. So all you need to do is just to click on it, and also at the same time you also have to install this application on your laptop. So once you have this application, you will be seeing the same image or shortcut key, and you just have to click it. So you simply have to click on your phone and this is what it will look like. Okay, and you also have to open the application on your laptop, and this is how it looks like. So as you can see here, there are three possible ways in which we can connect our Android cam to our laptop. But normally what I do is just connect it using the same network. Okay, or using the same Wi-Fi. So another option that we have is to connect it via USB. However, this requires advanced tinkering. So for easy access, I suggest that we just use the same Wi-Fi. But if you are trying to save bandwidth, then maybe you could try also connecting it via USB. In this video, I'm just going to use the Wi-Fi. So again, just like what I've said, you have to make sure that you're using the same Wi-Fi network, right? And you also have to make sure that the device IP numbers, okay, and the droidcam port numbers indicated here are the same with what you are seeing on your phone. Okay, they have to be the same. If not, then you can simply adjust the numbers. So you have to copy the numbers that you are seeing on your phone. Okay. Now, you could also use not just the webcam but also the audio of your phone if that's what you want. Now, if they're already the same, okay, you already adopted or changed the numbers so that they will match, all you need to do is to click start. That's it. You are now using your Android cam, okay? If you want to switch to the front-facing camera, tap the menu button in droidcam's Android app or go to the settings, okay, camera, and then click front. And that's it. You can choose between back or front camera. Now, all you have to do is set your phone at the right height and angle. You can simply lean it against your laptop screen, but I would recommend investing in a tripod or smartphone stand. Right? And let's try using it in Google Meet. So let's say, for example, I have a class and I will be using Google Meet for our video conferencing. So there you go. As you can see, on my laptop, I have been using droidcam. But just to check, let's go to the settings here. Let's choose video. And as you can see here, we have two choices. Either we can use the laptop's webcam or the droidcam source. So this is how my webcam looks like. And this is how I look like using the droidcam app. So as simple as that, and you can use it in other video conferencing platforms. So all you just need to do is to look at the settings and choose droidcam source. Alright, so that's it. I hope I was able to teach you how you could use your phone as a webcam on your laptop. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you next time.